If you have picture there, I may come home. You don't tie here.
I say I tell you until 8 midnight. I said why they break native egg for this? Say waiting for.
In cup don't full. This one a church with fake church with police.
Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. Una see that video one I just watch just now. I go put am for now. Una listen to the full video. This one a pastor. Pastor don't turn to native doctor. Evil worse pass safe. Many people picture wey be say dem see for the shrine for there. Even go reach big snake. Many things. They say na every blessed day they break egg. Oh, Jesus. Oh, now God go save our people. Some of them, where be say my pastor say, they go use pastor of 18 take cover eye. Whereas, na juju dem be old, then they do juju oh. They go tell you say, go throw away your old. They are old, they keep am for one corner. As we they talk now, they say, Ogbalekbe don't bust there because the thing it can't surprise them. The way they smell, the way many things say they, you know, all those things where be say they do. They come the reason and say this one not be normal pastor where be say go carry Bible, come they pray, come they like preach the word of God. The man is get as he be. Then made them come say this thing where they happen so. Made them call Ogbalekbe as them burst into that house, my people. Hey. Una see, I go put am for una. Una see most of una where they run. My pastor say. No, say no be say una go hear. Una no go hear. Una no verse, my people. My voice get as it be because of the weather. And I know say if we did this weather, now so it be. When I go say my pastor say, I want to go sleep there. I want to go do this. Not be the first time where they see some pastor where be say that they do all this kind of thing. No. I go put the video for na mona listen for na iye mona una just listen by una self. Make una see many things. If you see pictures of people where be say them put for there. Now no say this is not the first time where they see many people picture that they carry they go all this shrine. They'll say na pastor. They'll say na prayer night. They go they pray. Both people where just did their heart. They don't know say their picture don't fly go another place. Hey Jesus! So now only God now they help the children. You go dey sleep for inside house, your picture there for another place where be say you not even know. Maybe now some of people now where be say don't get misunderstanding with somebody go say go chook hand for your eye. That one not go know. Go dey sleep for inside house, the picture don't do another place. Make I put this video for na mona watch. Please help me to love and like and share this video. Mona be careful. I know say mona not go church but not the kind church where they go. If you even they go for babalawo, not the kind one where you see they go because some of them still they good. Why some? They not care on their money now they need though. They don't even know what, they don't even know anything. They just they like because of say money they come from there. You know, say now everywhere now people they find money. May I just put this one, especially our people where believe in all these things. All right, my people, thank you for watching. God bless you. Please share love and life for other people to see. It may be picture where they here, they know the person where they made them for know where they want to go collect their picture. Now, wow, not the way Musa not go see. Now, bye for now.
I think what is
See the eggs then. If you have picture there, I may come home. You don't tie here.
I say I tell you until 8 midnight. I said why they break native egg for this? Say waiting for.
In cup don't full. This one a church with fake church with police. Where police read today. Can't see enough aquatic material, coffin, snake, everything. They see coffin here, everything snake. See the church here. See all the things, bury things for the altar, bury coffin, see people pictures, everything. They see snake, python for the altar, python, coffin. Now for this church for Rumundru life today, they read the church. They don't arrest the pastors. The pastor discover this. So many occultic things when they find out here. Snake, python, and coffin. Coffin. Human being coffin. Enough charm when it's inside church. This pastor there, they call himself a prophet, they deceive people here. He was deceiving people here. So many things in the police ready here today.
I tell you, people don't be done.
On a fake church, a fake prophet, they don't carry them, they don't arrest them. See people pictures. Now, yeah, people pictures. Your old boys, they come do work for your hand. See people pictures. They then tie. Now, yeah, Yahoo boys, they come do their listen. Yeah, Yahoo. The dog has so many things here. Both snake, coffin. See in chambers. Here. See on here. See the man here. My shrine they be this in the name of church. In shrine. My shrine they be this. A deliverance is a deliverance ministry room. And today being 20th January 2025. And today they ready and then be this. See one of the top people here. And they use occultic something. Fake prophet. Fake prophet. See this one. See. Something we know. See. Power no damn. Carry the people. See him. Nonsense. Yeah, na shrine. Maybe church. Where is signboard? Where does a signboard? See. Now a signboard with this. It says God's Deliverance Apostolic Church. See him. For Mundru. Police don't come here already are finished. Don't arrest the fake prophet. See people pictures. Now, yeah, people pictures. Your old boys they come do work for your hand. See people pictures. They then tie. Now, yeah, Yahoo boys, they come do their listen. Yeah, Yahoo. The dog has so many things here. Both snake, coffin. See in chambers. Here. See on here. See the man here. My shrine they be this in the name of church. In shrine. My shrine they be this. A deliverance is a deliverance ministry room. And today being 20th January 2025. And today they ready and then be this. See one of the top people here. And they use occultic something. Fake prophet. Fake prophet. See this one. See. Something we know. See. Power no damn. Carry the people. See him. Nonsense. Yeah, na shrine. Maybe church. Where is signboard? Where does a signboard? See. See. Now in signboard be this. It says God's Deliverance Apostolic Church. See am. For Mundru. Police don't come here and arrest you finish. They carry don't arrest this.